Good morning, everyone. Today, account class, we will see a new topic, that is book of prime entry. What are the content they are included in this topic? We will explain. First one, introduction, source document, double entry system, transaction, account, approaches of recording transaction, accounting rules, journal entries. These content included in this topic and lesson. Previous two lessons we will learning only theory, but this lesson we will do sums also, so clearly you will understanding the concept. Suppose if you have any doubt means you make a call, otherwise you come to the Friday on school. That time you have any doubt means you can ask. Okay students, now let me tell about that sources of document. First I am saying source document. Source document, these included cash receipt, invoice, debit note, credit note, pay-in slip, salary bill, wages, check, record slip, etc. These are the documents commonly used or discussed below. One by one we will see. First one I will explain about cash receipt. It is a document that shows the date column and details of cash purchase, cash sales and other transaction. Cash receipts means they include of date, amount and details of cash purchase and sales. These are included in cash receipt. Next, invoice. Invoice is used for credit purchase and credit sales. A cash receipt we will use in cash sale and cash purchase, but invoice we will use for credit purchase and credit sales. Debit note. A buyer may return the goods to the seller in various situations, such as when goods are defective or damaged, goods do not meet the specification, etc. Suppose we will purchase and sells anything, it make any damage, we will write on debit note. Next we will see credit note. It is a statement prepared by the seller who received back from his customer. Credit note is prepared for seller. Customer கிட்ட இருந்து பொருளை ரிட்டன் வாங்குற seller the write on credit note. But debit note, purchasers write the debit note to customer. It's clearly understand. Next, pay-in slip. When cash or check is deposited into bank, a form is to be filled by a customer and submitted to the banker. Pay-in slip means mostly you will see in bank. If you want to deposit money to bank, we will write it on pay-in slip. Next, check. Check is a negotiable instrument. Checkbook issued by a bank to its customer for withdrawing money for own use, for making payment to others. Check also you will see in bank. Suppose the businessman were usually used on check. Suppose he is paying to money to others, he will write it on check. Next topic is double entry system. Double entry system of a bookkeeping is a specific and complete system of recording financial transaction of an organization. Now only we will enter to the account. Double entry system is a full complete transaction will be writing on the book. That is double entry system. It's a definition for every business transaction has a twofold effect of that. It affect two account in opposite direction, and if a complete record is to be made of each such transaction. What he said for J.R. Bartley Boy, every business has a two sides, that is debit and credit. Suppose if you have to bought any goods from shop, you will pay the cash, then you will receive the product. That is a double entry. Okay, what is the principles? Every business transaction there are two aspects. One is receiving, another one is benefit. For example, if you go to shop and buy some product, you make give us some money to that product. That is a receiving and giving. You give the money and receive the product. That is a two aspect of account. These two aspects involve minimum two account. One is debit, another one is credit. For every debit there is corresponding and equivalent credit. என்ன debit இருந்தாலும் there is equal on credit.